guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change like the wall height in Sims 4. So go to build mode here, and I'm just going to sort of create a kind of like lot. Something like that, like so. And I want to change the wall height, so I'm just going to select it. And this is small. This is kind of like the medium, and this one's really like tall. You can also add in half walls for some of the walls, so you're just going to select like a wall and you can replace it with half wall or fence. So go and select half wall to replace it with a half wall for your wall of walls. You can also replace it with a fence. So select it, like kind of double click it and then select fence. You can change the fence too, by the way. So I'm just going to select the fence over here, and then I'm just going to select this one and select the fence I want to replace it with. So for instance, maybe this one, just click it and add it. You can even like place fences by drawing. So select the fence you want to draw and just draw a fence. And yeah, you can also change the wall here by pressing wall here, and then you're going to select half walls, and then you can change the wall to even like a smaller wall. This is a barely there half wall, and this one's a tall wall, but you need to have like a really tall wall for you to use that, so I can't. So just select the walls you want to put on and just add it like so. And that is basically how you can kind of edit your walls on Sims. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!